Yo guys, what's up? Today we're looking at Beyond Meat, ticker symbols BYND. So this last week, Beyond Meat and McDonald's did announce that they're finally rolling out their McPlant burger to the U.S. For a limited time, as long as supplies last, and a trial run, test run, and we'll see how that does. So I think it'll be good for Beyond Meat to get out there. They're really expanding their product line. They're doing cooperation with like McDonald's and a couple other places. Really good to get into the fast food niche. Seems like fast food lines pretty much everywhere are getting longer, not shorter. And restaurants are starting to fill back up again, so that's a good sign for Beyond Meat. So I'm very bullish on Beyond Meat for the long term. I think this is probably a good entry point around $100. I should have sold a cash covered put at 100 when it was there, or 98.80. But at that point, I wasn't really sure what was going on. Now I have some technical indicators that say it could be going higher. Let's see, the stochastic's going up. MACD is going up. It's just this moving average is not. So earlier it was in the week on the 14th, but then on the 15th, which was yesterday, went down again. So it came back down, pulled back slightly. We'll see what happens. It's still under this major 200-day moving average, so that's not a good thing for the stock. Still have this death cross to contend with. But as people start to go back to restaurants, they start to roll out new products. There's a lot of competition out there now. There's Light Life, Impossible, a lot of other people trying to get into this space. So that could be an issue also going forward. We'll see how it plays out in the long term. I like Beyond. Impossible is good. We'll see what happens. But I think this is a good value. It might take a couple years to get back up here to the 221. But the first issue we got to get beyond is this moving averages. We got to bust up above this 20-day, and then we have to get up against this 200-day and bust up over that again. So be sure you guys subscribe for more updates on Beyond Meat and how we can make money with this stock. I'm going to be I rolled my option last week. It's in the money. It's $130. So I might sell another cash covered put next week just to take some of the money off the table and gain some more cash flow. And since the stock is probably going to go up, it'll probably expire worthless depending on how far I go out. If I go out a week, it's probably okay. If I go out a couple, 2, 3, 4 weeks, not sure where it's going to go from there. But it's not going to go much below this $100 mark. You can see it's pretty stable around here, about $100. It bounced off this floor before, and that's what it did again. So I have confidence it's a pretty good stopping point for this stock, and it's only going to go higher or hover around that $100, plus or minus. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.